People often ask me why I wake up at 4:30 in the morning when I could sleep in an extra hour or two. You hear that sound right there? You see those skies behind me? That's one of the reasons. You can't beat it. Listen to those birds. They're all waking up. And they're in this tree behind me. I love that sound. And if the wonderful sounds and sights of the morning aren't enough for you, I don't have to rush to make dinner when I get home. I can actually get stuff done and slowly get ready to make dinner, as opposed to rushing and going out and buying fast food instead.